Source of Strength is a program that uses peer leaders to go out and try to change social norms and climates across whole populations and spread messages of hope, spread messages of strength and help.
At Sources of Strength, we don't view our peer leaders as junior psychologists or counselors and send them out to fix all of their friends. We really ultimately view them as these agents of social change, and we take what we call a social network approach, that we all exist within these social networks and we know that things can spread through a network. There's a lot of emerging science on this. What we've learned is that positive things can spread through a network. Things like hope and resiliency and strength and connection and trust towards adults can spread through a network. And so we really view our peer leaders as these agents of social change, as the patient zero of an epidemic of health, of a contagion of strength within their school and community.
I think Sources of Strength is unique in the fact that it's a positive program. It's uplifting. It deals with the strengths that you have around you instead of the negatives.
Sources of Strength is, in the model, aimed not only at addressing the needs of students who may be in crisis to help connect them to natural as well as formal helping resources, but it's also to increase the number of students that have adults that they're in connection with, because we know that's an important protective factor.
What are things that kind of give you strength? Who are people? What are your favorite activities? Source of Strength has peer leader teams going in middle school, high school, college, university, community, cultural groups, as well as faith-based groups. And these peer teams can go out and spread hope, help, strength messages, and they adapt those messages to kind of fit their culture.
Research has shown that we've been able to break down codes of silence, increase perceptions of adult support, increase help-seeking behaviors, and enhance protective factors associated with reducing risk across a whole school population.
Since we started Sources of Strength at our school, we're definitely all more connected and more encouraging to one another, and it feels more like a family rather than just a body of students.
The Sources of Strength program would be great for any school, any community. It creates a caring environment that allows people to feel understood. I just can't say enough good about it.
It supports reaching out, it's against isolation, it's about healthy help-seeking behaviors, it's about life.
The other thing I like about it is we do get assistance on this from outside. It's not all completely in here. We've got people coming in and helping us periodically throughout the year. You need some of those different voices from time to time. It can't always be the same people saying the same things. I think it's good when our students and our staff hear it from people outside.
Sources of Strength isn't a one-shot assembly-style program. It's designed to be implemented over the course of a school year and ideally multiple years, because that's really when we start to see systemic culture change happening.
A program that can address the priorities of the schools, their primary educational mission, as well as the mission of enhancing well-being of students is an important and a wise investment for communities to make.